Hello and welcome to our video series covering common maintenance practices for ground logic machines. In this video we'll be covering the replacement of the hopper gate cable on a Rover or Rover XR. Let's start out by reviewing the tools that you'll need. A needle nose pliers, two 7/16 end wrenches, a 1/8 inch Allen wrench, a 1/4 inch drive ratchet wrench, a 1/4 inch extension, and a 3/8 inch socket. It's important to mention that even though some of the work shown in this video is being done on a Pathfinder machine, it will still apply to a Rover series machine. Using needle nose pliers for leverage and the ratchet for a pivot point, pry the paddle off of the cable handle. Using the 1/8 inch Allen wrench, 3/8 inch socket, extension, and ratchet, remove the cable handle from the console. Using the 1/8 inch Allen wrench in the front of the frame and under the hopper, and using the 3/8 inch socket and the ratchet on the back side of the frame, remove the retaining plate that holds the two cables to the frame. With the two 3/8 inch end wrenches, loosen the bolt holding the cable in to the hopper gate. Pull the cable in through the frame and out from under the gas tank. Set the new cable in place, fastening the handle to the console using the same bolts and nuts, and use a soft face hammer to set the paddle in place. Route the new cable back between the gas tank and the engine and through the hole in the frame. This is a closer look at the hole that the cable end needs to go through in the bolt. Tighten the nut to pinch down on the cable, and replace the retaining plate, being sure to catch the two collars on the cable ends. That wraps up our video covering hopper gate cable replacement on ground logic Rover and Rover XRs. We're adding more videos, so keep checking back.